Masikip pa nga dito eh.
Oo.
Tayo nagpunta, may ginagawa na tayo.
Oo, may ginaganda. Napunta tayo, no?
Oo, maraming ano yun eh. Na...
Tsaka bangin din yun.
Bangin din. Oh.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning mga idol.
Good. Okay, tab ng problems.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys.
Yeah, just visiting. Where are you guys visiting from?
Vancouver.
Nice. Here for the whole long weekend, or?
Yeah.
Nice.
Romax Valley Marina.
Oh, you guys in town for it? You guys in town for it? Oh, yeah,
Nice boat. Mamimili ba tayo dyan? Oh, ang ganda na rin. May fishing. Fish on. Dilis.
Guys, saan tayo pupunta?
Puntong ka ron. Ayan na, nabili na.
Gagawin na.
Let's go!
Napili na.
Nice boat, bro.
Thank you.
That's nice. Alright, guys.
Not in the ocean, but
Okay. On the river. Nice. Awesome. What river do you guys use for fish?
it's in the Chilliwack.
Okay, nice.
It's in the bigger river.
It's pretty packed, isn't it?
Oh
Yes, yeah.
Show me your shoulder. I don't know if you watch that what's that, the Sakai
Yeah.
thing on the freezer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it looks that way from the video today.
Crazy, bro. Yeah, hopefully it's not too windy today.
Yeah, we're gonna. There's a north wind up, so we're gonna head south, and there's a spot we can fish that's out of the wind, which is kind of nice. And then it might. The forecast calls for two different things. There's a chance it calms down at noon, so we might switch spots depending on the fishing. But we'll start down there in the morning. You guys want to keep fish, I'm guessing, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah, all right.
that's what I'm
Yeah.
here for.
You guys good to go back there?
Regis sa vlog. Yan.
Go, boys. Go!
Malakas, malakas.
Nato, sa liit. SG, parang baste. Tingnan natin, nakahuli ata ng balyera si parang baste. Ang hirap iangat.
Orca ata yan.
Baka dulong. Saan na balikan po? Ha? Kaya mo yan. Finish it!
You can kind of bring it this way on this side of the boat.
Alright.
Right on, right on! Push on!
Sorry,
We'll see
sorry.
if he's.
Yes!
See if we can keep it.
SG!
Throw your rod kind of holder there. Is he big enough? He is.
Yes.
All right.
Keeper.
we got
Alright.
Alright.
Keep it.
a keeper already.
What's the minimum?
62 centimeters.
62.
The smaller Chinook.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Sampo. Sampit man. Let's go.
Yeah, you want
Oh shit.
Oh,
shit. That's the bottle, eh? Another one! Another one!
Oh, Heather.
Head. Oh yeah! Oh man.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Oh my god, we got this one. Yes! Oh boy.
Might have to cross. I think you're gonna have to come in behind. You go in front. Oh, there you go. Yeah. There we go. Nice.
Yeah. Oo, papailalim mo yun, no? Papailalim mo yun.
Oh, might have to cross over again and stuff.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Nicely done, guys. Oh yeah.
Real battle. Let's see who's the biggest. Where's the
Teamwork makes the dream work.
What's your choice? You. Whoa, good one. I go for
Yeah, that
Yeah.
one. You got a good one on there too.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yun na, lumabas na, lumabas na. Lumabas na,
Oh, but na.
lumabas na.
Oh na. Ano na. Ito ng placer. Parang alang-alang.
Yan na.
You're kind of staying on the right side here too. It's not getting crossed up so far, which is nice.
Lumabas na din.
Hello, Mr. Ang nga rin, ano? Fire!
Wala pagising stretching.
Now, if he wants to cut out, oh, he's good. I'll stay on this side.
Alright.
Bring him this way a bit. That's a nice one.
Oh my
Wow. Nag-count na.
Light on that side.
Suki lang para sa atin.
Yeah, marami dito. Oh, that's a good one.
The whale.
The wheel right there, yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. Yeah.
Nahabol pa ng huli ko.
Go Nix. Go Nix.
You got this.
It's fighting back, eh?
Laban.
Yo!
Tumalon? Yeah.
There you go.
Showing now, showing now. There you go. Yes.
Woohoo!
Pumipilit na kumbog yan, no?
Yeah.
That's the fish right there. Ano yan?
Kapare, hawak mo ata.
Yan ikaw, diretso ulit.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. There you go.
There we go.
That's pretty nice. Woohoo!
Wala mo pa.
Woo! That's nice.
Oh, the big one.
Beautiful.
Oh boy, oh boy. That's nice. Reel. Yeah, good job, Nico. Big mama.
Big
that's a
mama.
big one.
Wow.
Okay, let's go, Rexon.
Correct.
Boy, you got this, Chapoy.
Got it.
Yours is up already too, eh?
Yeah. Oh, that is. There it is.
Oh, yan, lumutang na.
Ow.
Oh.
Wow! Nanigas ang braso ko, ah. Big one.
It's a big one.
Yeah, we're in the bait now. You can see on the sounder there. See all that red stuff?
Yeah.
It's all herring.
And they're jumping, eh?
Oh yeah.
You got this.
There you go. There we go.
Hindi pa sa video.
Correct.
Yeah!
Wow, this is a good one.
All right.
Yes,
Fuck
yes.
yeah.
Oh, wow! That's a big mama.
Flopping around, eh?
Grabe na kayo.
Isa lang pala ko.
Laki.
Yeah, it wasn't like nothing was above board, I don't think.
5 people, 5 people died.
I heard the rest of their boats got seized or something.
Yeah. There's a couple of boats that shit. They own everything.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they go Chinook.
He's up already. You guys might have to crawl. You're gonna have to go in behind over here. You go in front. Well, I might not have to. No, you're good. Change direction on it.
Fish, 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 fish. Huh? Sarap po yan. Oh.
Pares yata Chinook ah.
Oh, this one fast you.
Sweet.
Go home.
Big Mama. Big Mama, man. Sino?
Shit like that.
Malaki. Malakas.
Never know.
Big coho. Big Mama coho.
Mom and Dad.
What is the record of the big Chinook catching in this area?
What's that?
How big?
The biggest I've gotten in this area is 42 pounds.
42 pounds.
And the one we have, like the biggest one today is probably about 14 or so, let's say.
42 pounds. Bigat na oh.
Yeah. Big, big mama. The mama of the mama. The mama of the mama.
Might still be a coho actually. Awfully close to the boat.
Oh man, that's a super coho. Super, super coho buddy.
Yeah, it's still a coho.
Go.
Oh.
Nice one.
Alright, five.
Really good fighter for a coho.
It is.
Usually don't pull that.
20. Oh, there it is. Hudson. Oh.
Biglang kumulimlim nung nakabalik.
Not bad, eh?
Cookie cutter. Secured na ano.
Oh yeah, baby.
Sweet.
Dito. Pakita natin ang ating huli.
A lot of fish.
A lot of fish.